Welcome to Riva Leisure Products range of folding campers. Our campers are manufactured using a unique fabric called Thermobond. This is a system exclusive to Riva and with its fully insulating properties enables the more intrepid camper to explore the extremes of Scotland in midwinter to the harsh heat of the Spanish sun without fear of condensation. Another of the many features of Thermobond is the ability to fold the camper down when wet, and unlike conventional canvas, be left wet indefinitely without the need to be dried out after a long journey home. Here is a visual display showing the designer, one of 4 in our range, being assembled. As you can see, you are ready to enjoy your Riva experience within minutes of arriving at your chosen holiday destination. To start, unhitch the camper off the back of the tow vehicle and level using the jockey wheel located at the front. After removing the transit cover, pull out all 4 bed support bars and drop the steadying legs down to the ground. Tighten up the leg screws. These are located in each corner of the camper. Now turn the roof over to the right side of the camper, and after attaching the loops in the cords onto the buttons as shown, simply turn the bed over onto the bracket located on the top of the bed support bar. Repeat this procedure with the second bed. Notice the roof comes into position automatically, protecting the interior from the elements. The door is now pulled up into its vertical position and by opening is locked into place. Push the front section into the vertical position by using any one of the roof poles located inside the camper. Attach the other end of the pole into the opposite bracket above the door. Now release the cord that erected the roof from the button and locate the pole into the bracket inside the camper as shown. Now release the right side panel retaining bolts and lift this panel into position. Locate the door and front section arms into the top of the panel and attach elastic cords and Velcro to finish off. Now repeat this procedure on the left side. Finally, for the outside, pull the 4 elastic cords in the roof around the 4 buttons located under the bed edge. Pull down the 4 roof ropes and tie these around the 2 buttons as shown. This then seals the roof to the camper. Now inside the camper, assemble the hinged centre cupboard and simply slot the back panel into place. Now place the kitchen unit containing the built-in sink and cooker on top of this. The worktops can be held up by using the side panels as shown. Extra seating is provided by converting one of the double beds into a full-size settee for daytime use. Above each bed area, additional roof poles are slotted into place. Here you can see the table and seating area that enables you to dine or relax in comfort. Notice the inner roof lining and coordinating privacy curtains that enhance the luxurious interior of the camper. For added space, an optional acrylic awning that simply zips onto the exterior of the camper is available. Additional storage space for the awning and other accessories is provided underneath the transit cover. Thank you for taking time to watch this demonstration of our products, and if you need any more assistance or information, please do not hesitate to contact our team at Riva Leisure Products.